In this video, we are going to learn how to install and configure SSH on Ubuntu 22.04. We are using an Ubuntu virtual machine inside the EVNG environment. The Ubuntu VM is connected to the management cloud to access the internet. Double-click the Ubuntu VM to open it. Enter your login password when prompted. Next, right-click anywhere on the desktop, and select Open Terminal. Let's check the current IP address of the Ubuntu VM. In this example, the address is 192.168.1.170. Now, update the system packages by typing sudo apt update. Then, enter your sudo password. Once the update is complete, we will install the SSH server. Type the command sudo apt install OpenSSH server-y. After installation, check the SSH service status. Type sudo systemctl status SSH. If it says active and running, your SSH server is working correctly. Now, let's test the SSH connection. Note down the IP address, 192.168.1.170. On a Windows PC, open the command prompt. Type SSH username at your IP address. When prompted, type yes to accept the security key. Then enter your Ubuntu password. Now we have successfully connected to the Ubuntu VM using SSH from the Windows PC. To confirm, let's check the IP address again inside the SSH session. Next, let's connect using PuTTY. Open PuTTY, and enter the Ubuntu VM's IP address. Set the port number to 22. Select SSH as the connection type, and click Open. Enter your Ubuntu username and password. You have now successfully accessed the Ubuntu VM using PuTTY over SSH. Congratulations, you've learned how to install, configure, and verify SSH connectivity in Ubuntu VM inside the EVNG environment.